I have an emergency weather radio to look at today. It's from DBSOARS, and it's actually more than just a radio. It's an emergency survival kit. This is a very useful device to have on hand when you experience any sort of electrical outage or inclement weather or any other type of emergency, especially maybe if you go camping or do any other adventure activities. This is a great item to have with you. I have two colors here, the orange and the green, so let's take a closer look. Alright, so here is the box that it came in. And it does say that it is good with snowstorms, rainstorms, floods, or hurricanes. Here is the contact information for DBSOARS. If you have any questions in the box, let me move this one out of the way. It did come with the emergency radio that you see here, a quick start guide, which helps you get started and how to do various functions. I can go over that in a moment. And a USB Type-C charging cord. Now, with the quick guide shows you the specifications, how to operate the radio, the SOS alarm, the flashlight, and the reading lamp. How to charge, and the 3 power methods. It's very helpful. As I said, this is more than just a radio. It's a flashlight. I'm going to turn this on so I can show you. There's a switch here. This off and then on. There's a flashlight right here. There's power buttons on the top. And one click gives you a bright flash, and then it's adjustable as well, as it adds the other LED lights around it, and then some more. So there's 3 levels for the flashlight. So this also has multiple charging methods. You can use the solar panel that is on the top, the USB charging cord that I did show you before, which you just flip this flap up, the ports are right there. And you can crank it, which this, if you are, of course, dealing with some real damage and don't have any sort of electricity, this is a great way to get the power back. So it's just very easy. Just crank. And then when you're done, put it back. Alright, so accessing the radio is very simple as well. On the front, you have your alert, your weather band, your FM, and your AM radio. So when you turn it on, I'm going to flip the switch in the back, which is already on, and turn the volume up, because here's the tuning knob, here's the volume. You can switch between the various different selections here. Now I'll save the tuning part for you when you try it out, but there is also an SOS button. It activates the SOS emergency alarm siren and flashing Morse code beacon. So if I press SOS, so if I switch down to alert and hit the SOS button, of course, you get the SOS sound and the flashlight flashes. Definitely a great way to grab anybody's attention any time of the day. And as I mentioned earlier, this is your flashlight button here. You do also have a solar panel, which helps charge it, and a reading light. So when the device is on and you flip this up, you have a reading light. And this also functions as a power bank, so you can charge your phone or make calls when necessary. The antenna on the back is adjustable. Of course, goes off screen, but it goes pretty far up. And that's going to help you with your radio wherever you are and wherever you need it. This emergency weather radio is really multifunctional, and I plan on keeping one in my car at all times just in case, and one for my home where if I have an emergency, the power goes out, or I have a severe storm, I'm prepared. That's a look at the DBSOARS Emergency Weather Radio. Please be sure to check the description section below for more information, like this video, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!